Hello, good evening. My name is Gentility, and this is TEAMCSG Tech Hub. We are now in lesson 2 of web development using your mobile phone. So, if you missed my previous class, you can watch it in our official YouTube channel, TEAMCSG Tech Hub. Also, you can also help us by subscribing after watching the video, because this video is for our students at TEAMCSG Web Student Group B, those that doesn't have a laptop. So you can also follow this class if you have laptop by just using Sublime Text or VS Code. So I will just go to and highlight the topic I will treat this night, and we move to the game. Please remember that you are going to use SPCK editor. You can download that from Play Store or App Store using your phone, iPhone or Android phone. And if you did not attend my first class, you may not understand what I'm doing, so you must go back and watch that class. I can share you the link, or you can always get notification at our WhatsApp community, TEAMCSG community. You understand? And also make sure that you do your assignment after watching or attending my class. That will make me to answer your question, send you PDF guidelines, and also update you. But if you do not do assignment, there's no way I can attend to you. Thank you. Images to your website. You can see our default page. Then I now click on the sidebar. You can see the index.html, JavaScript and CSS. So I want to add image to this side. If I run it, see what it shows. It only shows the H1 and H3, but I want to add picture under it. So what you just do is you click on import here. You go to photo library and select the picture you want to use. So for instance, I want to use picture from this my camera roll. I want to use this picture. This picture. So if I import it, you see this 88530247. So I want to rename it so that it will be easy for me. I click on rename. I will remove everything except this .jpeg. You get? So I just minus it and just write theme.jpg and press OK. Once you press OK, it will show here. You can see theme.jpg. So this is the program. If I run it, then I want to add image to the site. What I'll just do is I click on this tag img space src. Once it shows this src, you click on this src here. It will show you, and you now just type the name. You go back and check on the name of this picture. You can see it is theme.jpg. So you can just, once you type T E M, you can see it will already show you the part, theme.jpg part. You click on it. You understand? Then you come at the, even if you run it now, you can see there is a picture there. Do you see a picture? But it's too big. Alright, so let's go back. At the back of this JPEG, you give space, type alt. You just you go just write it team picture or our picture, our pics. So the work of this alt, that is alt. The work of this alt is export it will now show that name. You understand? So you now give space, and I want to resize the picture, so it depends on the screen size. So I'll just type width equals to 360, width 360, or width 300 pixel. Then I give space. Then height, once it show you height in the screen, you click on it and you write 360. You get, and you close it and run. Can you see the picture is showing you here? All right. Okay, let's go to the second one. So what I'll just do here now is you can see the picture is showing here. That is this picture showing here, but you will see that the width has not matched my phone. You understand? The height is okay, but the width did not correspond with my phone. So it differs with your phone resolution or the screen size, so you can be adjusting it. So like now, this, you can see that I have space here. I can increase it by just increasing the width. So I can come to the width and just type 360, and check again. So you can see this 360 match the picture, but the picture is like it's too stretched. So I can also add height to make it normal, like height like 380 to make it normal. Alright, you can see it now. So this is how to add picture or image in a website using HTML. So well, you can see this height and width I added here. You can also use CSS to do it, but the reason I'm using HTML to just do this thing is that we have not entered into CSS, but we'll enter there soon. You get? So the next topic I'm going to teach how to add link in your website. So if you want to add link, you use the anchor tag. So I want to add link under this images. So we have two types of link: the external link and internal link. External link is the one that directs you to other websites, while internal one is the one that directs you to other HTML documents you have in your web page. You get? So here I will use internal. So I want to create a new HTML document. I'll just come here, click on this plus sign here, and new file. Click on new file, write index2. That is, this is a new HTML page, index2.html. Okay, then I press OK. So if I click on this index, you can see it will just show me the default stuff. So I want to connect these two sites together. So what I will do, in this first index, I want to add link in it that will connect me to the second index too. So what I will just do here is I will type a anchor tag. I will use anchor tag. So here you give space href, you click on the href, you understand? I will now type that index2 so that I can connect the two websites. Index2, you select index2.html. You understand? That's what we show where it will lead you to. Then you now give space. Just you now close this one and just come here and write lemon. You get, and you now close the anchor tag by a slash a. You get. Okay, so as I added this link, if I click play now, you can see the link under it. That is this lemon. So if I click on this lemon, it will take me to the second HTML web page, but there's nothing in there. So I will go back to this index 2, click on it. So I want to add a different picture there, another picture there. So I'll just come down here, just write H1, or just click to add the images. I use the img tag. So I want to add another picture in this index 2. I click on plus, import file, photo gallery. I go to camera roll and select second picture I'm gonna use. So I want to select the second picture we use. So the second picture, let me just look for any like this picture. Let me select this one, click done, and rename it as usual, and rename web development. Remember, don't remove the .jpeg, but remove other things, and just type a short name. I can just save it with BE. Okay, so I come add img here in that index 2, img tag, src, capital BE. You can see the part, you just click on it, you understand. So it will show the picture. You see the picture is showing here, but the picture is too large, so I'm going to use that same stuff at WebPix. Then width and height. Width, remember, width 360. You get. Height, width 360, height 380 for my phone, but your phone may be bigger, so you can use bigger size. I click on play. You see the picture of this girl here. I just add a picture here. So that's it. So if I now open this first web page, index 1, and click play, you can see TEAMCSG Tech Hub channel students to their dream. Learn more. Once I click on this learn more, it will go and take me to that picture. Do you see it? Open this picture. You understand? I can also add title to this index 2. The index 2, I'll just write h1 blah blah blah. Just come here, type h1 tag, and just write our goal. You get. I close it. get, and play. So this is it. You can see our go. Understand? So if I open the first website, and play, once I click learn more, it will connect me to the second website. You get? Alright. If I want to, you can see the index 2. From index 1, I move to index 2. You understand? So I want to add external link, because the other one I thought is internal one, connecting documents together in the HTML page. So I want like to put a Google link here, so that if somebody click on it, it will take that person to Google. You understand? So I want to add a link in the index 2. So I go to index 2 to add external link. So I'll just click on, remember our anchor tag A, understand, A, href, sorry, anchor tag A, href, so we just come here, write href equals to then you now write you put this two tag, just write https / then you write www.google.com. You understand? Then at the back you write, click here to visit Google. Then you close the anchor tag. You get? Then this is it. So our go, then I close this one. That's where the mistake is coming from. I close it. That's the img tag. If I run it now, so this is it now. You can see, click here to visit Google. So once I click here, if I have data, if I click here, it will take me to Google. Yeah, this link will take me to Google. You understand? So we have treated adding images and adding link. So the last one, adding list. So we have other list and another list. So other list is OL. So I can come here and just click enter, and just type OL. You understand? like UL is another list. I just type UL, understand, come down, type LI for the listing, LI programming, I close it, you get, I come down again, LI animation, I close the list, I close the list /li, then I come down, web development, web dev, I close it. So that's how to add list. If I play now, you can see here under you have a bullet list, programming, animation, web dev. So that is called another list. Then if I want to add other list, like other list, then after I add this LI, I will close this UL. Remember to close this UL though. You type UL, you close the UL. So this is called on other list. If you want to list something, you just use that. Then if you want to if you want it to appear like numbers, like the list to have numbers, then you change this UL to OL. You can see if I change this UL to OL, and click play, you will see 1 2 3 there. Sorry. OL, you will see 1 2 3 there. Can you see 1 2 3? You understand? So that is all about list. For you to list something in web development, you understand? So assignment I will give is you will design a simple website just like this. Add picture, create another HTML document, add another picture, use link, anchor tag to link both of them. Then the second web page, use external links that will go to Google. Then add a list. You can add a list just like this one in this index 2. Add a list, add other list in the index 2, that is OL. Then add another list in the index 1 and submit the assignment to me. Alright, thank you for today's class. Next class I will treat more about this HTML before we now move to CSS. God bless you. TEAMCSG, gentility presenting.